call the sheriffs and they're gonna pick you up.
Go ahead.
Does this guy live here?
Yeah, get him out of here.
Does he live here?
Welcome to Hoodwash News. Please like and subscribe and enjoy the content.
Hey,
Stop.
hey, sir.
¿Quién es? No sé quién es.
Fire.
I will call the police right
Kind of
now.
crazy pulling robberies into fire reds.
Coño, chico, hacer ahí lo que lo hubiera metido, lo que lo hubiera metido. Chico.
Llama a la policía. Llámala.
But I think I did.
Is that my package?
Yeah, I'm putting it in. I'm trying to see if it fits.
For what? Why are you
No, I'm
taking?
trying to see because
Why are you taking my package?
I'm not taking your package. I had to see if it fit because I had to deliver another one.
Can you close my gate, please?
Yeah, I gotta deliver this one to the next store. I gotta deliver this to the next store. Next door.
We got an unwanted visitor on the porch.
We
Looks
can't
like she's
answer
been
the door
swimming
right
poop.
now, but
She
if you'd
doesn't
like
care
to
about the
leave a
police or anything.
Get out of here. Stop knocking on my door. Get out of here.
Hello.
You need to leave or I'm going to call the sheriffs and they're gonna pick you up.
Go ahead. And stop.
May I help you?
Is Rachel staying here?
Who?
Rachel.
Rachel.
Yeah, I'm waiting for someone who named Rachel.
There's no one named Rachel that live here.
Right. Thank you.
This man tries to fool this cop into thinking this is his home.
Hey.
Hey, does this guy live here?
Yeah, get him out of here.
Does he live here?
No.
No? Alright. Primo, tú no vives aquí. Tienes que irte. ¿Cómo? Tú no vives aquí. ¿Esta es tu dirección? 148. Esa es la 46. No, esa no es. Sorry about that.
No problem. Thank you.
Be careful what you leave out in your yard. You could be attracting the wrong guests. Also, be on the lookout for people walking around with large bags. They're most likely trying to collect.
You can go ahead and get the fuck out of there before I call the laws. Yeah. I'll be posting all this shit online too.
Right now I'm calling the cops. Excuse me. I'm calling the cops. Hello? Hello, bitch. Bitch! Come here. Come back. Come back. Come back.
Hey! What's the deal?
Yeah, I was just looking for a cigarette.
You was looking for a fucking cigarette? We got your ass on camera.
Let me know down in the comments how you think this owner handled this.
Can I help you?
Hey, Eddie,
Eddie, you don't fucking live here. Don't open my fucking door thing.
this is Raymond from San Joaquin Valley Veterans.
I don't give a fuck. You don't fucking live here. Stop sending me now, because Robert Garcia don't live here. Get the fuck away from my door. Merry Christmas. Bye.
Where you from? Why you back here, man?
On top of business. Hell no, I'm not.
Just roll out before somebody pulls up something out on you.
Alright.
ORM1@iCloud.com. My number is 29. If you'd like to contact me about any dogs or little cats or whatever, just hit me up. Make sure to text me.
You are not permitted on that porch. I see you. You're trespassing. I'm calling the police.
You John?
What?
You John?
Who are you?
I'm Chris. I lived here before all this. Before this was a trap. I was trying to stop by here a couple times, but I was wondering if you have the. You bought it from Ed?
What's that?
Try to chain your bikes up or bring them inside. These thieves love to get around on bikes, and they love to sell them.
Yeah. Do you know anyone around here, like a young person that I have to take me to school?
No, I don't.
Yo, why y'all in my backyard?
Hey, get out of here! Get out of here!
Don't forget about those other delivery options. Holiday season's over, but these thieves are still going to be at it. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Yes, we're here. We're here. We're here. You have to on your door. It's 1919. You're 1919, right?
1919, yeah. I told her where to come into. Where are you guys at right now? Do you see the thing?
Okay, good. Say who?
Get over here.
Thank you for watching Hoodwash News. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.